Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Excellency Chao Shiran, Consul General, People's Republic of China. Excellency Dr. Asghar Masoodi, Director General, Consulate of Iran. Dear colleagues, guests, ladies and gentlemen, I feel honored to be here to celebrate 75th National Day of People's Republic of China, and I offer my cordial congratulations to all Chinese brethren. Our relationship with China is often described as an all-weather friendship, standing strong through the test of times, higher than Himalayan mountains and deeper than Arabian Ocean. Wading through the annals of the history, we come to know that our interaction and relation with China is not as new as we know. It is as ancient as history. The first and foremost in the recorded history, we come to know that during Han Dynasty, Silk Route was used to trade silk, stones, spices, and other goods. During Maurya dynasty and rise of Buddhism, Gandhara civilization region was the center of learning of Buddhist art and culture. Modern-day Taxila was the place where people from China, traders and Buddhist monks used to come through Taklamakan desert and exchange not only spices, silk and precious stones, but philosophical ideas as well. With the rise of Islam, the Buddhist influence was replaced with the Islamic culture. But trade was there. We still traded silk, jade, spices, and precious stones. During the colonial era, Punjab was the gateway for China to Indian subcontinent, but now commodities have changed to opium and tea. In modern history, Pakistan and China cooperated with each other in all spheres of life. This common history laid the foundation for China-Pakistan economic corridor. By 2021, investment in China-Pakistan economic corridor had grown to $62 billion. We mean business. And with business, we also gain commonalities. We also share with China some cultural commonalities. Our economic ties and exchange of philosophical ideas culminated in shared cultural values like respect to elders. Both nations respect our elders, which reflects from our decision making, our cultural interactions, and family structures. Another prominent trait is hospitality. We both offer tea, meals, and refreshments to our guests to make them feel welcome. In Pakistan, Eid, and in China, Spring Festival are the occasions of family reunion and special meals. Another important aspect of the life is our health. We need to know that Unani medicine's name from Yunnan province of China. It is not Greek. Please set your record right. Preservation of food is again an important commonality. Pickled vegetables, fermented soy products, and dried meats such as lap cheong, Chinese sausage, and in Pakistan, pickled vegetables and fruits are common. Excellency, I would like to draw your attention the important opportunities prevailing in the food industry. Countries and East Asian countries, we have a market there. We need to invest in slaughterhouses, the basis of halal meat. It is important for our provision of safe meat to our own population as well as to increase and get due share from Gulf countries by exporting halal meat. Although China is already working in food packaging industry, but there is still gap. We need technological advancement and eco-friendly packaging with food-safe packaging. It is a growing industry which is growing by 6 and 8% almost annually. We have a lot to do in the sector. The last one is disposal of waste in food sector. The one of the menace is used cooking oil. Pakistan is the largest population who consumes 25 kilogram or liter per annum against the global average of 5 to 8 kg. It is resulting in cardiovascular diseases. And as a bad practice in the food industry, used cooking oil, the cooking oil which is the waste after frying, is again leaked into the food industry and reused for frying like Nimco or other things. We have to work for it. Punjab Food Authority is already working and introducing different SOPs for the purpose, but we need investments for export of used cooking oil as well as producing biodiesel which is eco-friendly and energy efficient fuel. We can also earn considerable foreign exchange through export of used cooking oil as well as biodiesel. Pak Chin Dosti, Zindabad, Bajong, Yui, Wansi.